Hello everyone, I am Santosh Kushwaha. I have been speaking English. I have started English speaking challenge for 75 days. In last year, I stopped making videos due to my examination. After that, some family issue, and I didn't shoot any video within this 1 year period. And now I want to continue my English speaking journey again. So this video I am shooting for just for information or general idea. So we have to, in English speaking, this is for just my English practice I am speaking. So the ideas which are coming in my mind and I am speaking. So for speaking we have to think in English, and for thinking in English we have to practice some methods which can help us to think in English, because English is not our native language. So we generally we don't think in English, we think in Hindi, because Hindi is our native language. So it is our tendency to think in our native language. If we want to think in English, we have to do some practice, like see, say method, mirror method. There are some methods we can use. In front of mirror we can practice English speaking. See, say method. What is see, say method? See, say method, when we see something, when we are going on the road, we are walking, and we can see there are vehicles are coming, going, buses, dogs in the street, or kettles, cows, everything, trees, people, shops, everything we see, we can say in our mind. See, say. See, when you see, you say in English, no, not in Hindi. If someone is driving car, so you say he is driving car. You don't say car, वही car चला रहा है. So that is how we practice our English speaking. Now I am taking milk, I am drinking milk, so I can say in my mind. If there are many people in this room, they will not notice. I can think in English. What I am doing? I am drinking milk. So this is a very good method. But the problem is, we practice it for 1 day, 2 day, some 10 to 15 days, then we forget. We stop our practice. Consistency is most important. And I myself, I didn't continue making any videos, so that's why my fluency, I need to improve it. I have to speak every day for 20 minutes, 25 minutes, 30 minutes, then I will improve. If I stop practicing, my fluency, pronunciation, and the vocab, grammar, everything will come. I will forget, means I will, if I don't practice, I will become weak in this practice. Okay, so thanks for watching. Thank you so much.